The City of Deerfield Beach is proud to announce the launch of a new cart replacement program aimed at improving waste collection.
Delivery is expected to start in mid-January and last approximately 4 weeks. Your new cart will be delivered to the curb.
Our new 95-gallon carts provide greater capacity than the previous 65-gallon carts, ensuring that households have ample space for all of their waste.
Please store the new cart until the old carts have been removed. Once delivery of the new cart is completed, the city will start collecting the old carts. Do not use the new cart until the old carts have been removed. Continue setting your old carts out of the curb at your normal collection days until they are picked up and taken away. Please be patient and wait for your old carts to be collected before using your new cart. For questions or more info, contact customer service at 954-480-4391 or email solidwastecsrv@deerfield-beach.com.